Yo, why the doggy? Yes, Lord. Yeah, man, I'm coming. What you say? Yeah, man, yeah, man. All right. All right, all right, all right. What's going on, everybody? Here is Super Bass True coming back with not really shit. Just keeping y'all updated. By the time y'all gonna be watching this, man, hopefully shit gonna be a lot different. Like, I'm recording this. I'm not gonna tell you how far back it was, but just know it's not gonna be the same day when I'm posting it. All right, so basically, how is the bass driving all these trucks, huh? That's what the fuck y'all wondering? All you need to know is that I'm in business. Got fleet of trucks and use them as my business vehicles. These are my money makers. I do not play games with them. I'm not gonna be taking them to the track or anything like that. It's a fucking truck, bro. What the hell? What? I'm not gonna be doing none of that, man. Nah. I'm doing business. Got a fleet of trucks that we have that we use in order to chauffeur. That's pretty much what it is, man. So y'all can stop like trying to figure shit out, because y'all not gonna figure anything out unless I tell y'all. It's none of y'all damn business. I'm just trying to bring out some entertainment and some content. That's all what it is I'm trying to do. I'm not up here flexing the bag, flexing money, flexing I got this, I got that. That's not me, and it never has been me at all. And the Mustang is gone. I had to make sacrifices, man. You know, you make sacrifices in order to move further. I know I'll get something else come later on. But I'm really trying to expand my reach, get into something that's different, man. And y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see what it is on the channel. I'm probably gonna be driving it by now, or we'll see. But just trying to get something different, something a little different. I'm moving differently now. I'm in my 30s now, starting to think a little bit differently. I've been thinking for the past 15 plus years about going fast and trying to get in the fastest car, which is cool. When it sums it up, it's just three cars. That's like the main thing, especially like domestic cars. Camaro. What's the next one? Mustang. Fucking forgot Mustang. I own one. I own two of them. And fucking and Dodge. Challenger Charger. Camaro Corvette. Challenger Charger. Mustang. That's like the 5 cars, man. You get that, and you get that if you want it to be, want to be fast. But it's just like, honestly, shit gets tiring, bro. It really is. You're not gonna be the fastest all the time. It's gonna bother you. You're gonna try to make a car faster. There's always gonna be somebody faster than you, And I'm not living this life to, just to race. But not to say I'm gonna stop racing. Don't get me wrong. I'm saying I'm gonna stop racing now. hey, none of that. I'll still racing shit, on the side. Y'all still gonna get that content from me, but it's just gonna be a different, more like a mixture of lifestyle and like, the car scene, because the car scene is dying, bro. A lot of these kids just fucking it up. Who the fuck decided to crash? But a lot of these kids are fucking it up, man. They just doing donuts in the middle of the road and shit. Like, man, take that shit to a park. Take it like in your grandmama's backyard. Like, don't do that shit on the highway. There's niggas like me that's out here working, driving, trying to figure out why the highway fucked up. Ain't no accidents. Because of fucking stupid ass takeover shit. All right, not to say I ain't with the shit. Now I slide a motherfucker real quick. The ignorance, bro. You got to like come out of that shit. Don't succumb to it. Don't succumb to what it is right now. And what it is right now is just straight bullshit going on, for real. Stay tuned, man. I don't know where I'm gonna clip this in at any part of any of these videos at all, but it's just something that needed to be said. So yeah. So all right, man, we actually about to get some tires for this. I'm not gonna do too much of driving. I'm gonna clip in actually what the tire looks like. Straight shit. We're gonna have to get some new tires from this puppy, man. Oh my God, fuck me. Where the fuck am I going? Where am I going? Yeah, the tire shop. I just said that, didn't I? One thing y'all gonna know about me, man, I might be moving like a mile a second, mile a minute type, you know what I'm saying? Nah, let me stop. But not for real though. All size tires. So that's where we're about to pull up to get to these tires from all sizes, all different sizes. Tires. No, I need a different location. Motel 6. Didn't she give me the fucking address? What the hell am I doing trying to look this up? Where did I write this shit at? All right, man, y'all gonna see me working, bro. Just don't text and drive, kids. Don't look at your phone and drive. I'm not really driving right now. This is a simulator. Yep, so we about to get some tires, man. You already know what it is, yeah. So just stay tuned. Probably just gonna show y'all some stuff around here in Atlanta. Or being out in kind of the city area type deal. Nothing too crazy for the most part. I'm actually by some mall, South DeKalb Mall, I guess. I think this is the South DeKalb Mall I'm by right now. But we're just gonna do some POV driving. Ain't gonna be too much. Probably clip in some music, whatever. But stay tuned, man. God damn it, I was supposed to make that turn. Fuck, shit fucked me up. God, oh shit. You missed one damn turn in Atlanta, you reroute and look back down, a 10-minute drive would turn into 42 minutes. Just by one wrong turn. God damn. Too busy trying to turn on the camera for y'all, man. I missed the turn, but you know, sacrifices. When you live, you got to make sacrifices. Fucking sucks, but whatever. Move that shit out of the way, Kia. Damn. Come on. Come on, Perla. Come on, Ambulette. No, you know she old. You know she old. I don't even know if Ambulette was even an old name. Alright, y'all, so we made it here. I'm about to go inside and see what the hell I can find for a tire. So, let's go. Alright. I don't even know what to see in the door. So we're gonna see. Just gonna walk up in here. It's furniture and tire. Hey, what's going on? So y'all sell furniture and tires?
And appliances.
And appliances too. I got called over here. Are y'all all size tires? Y'all do business with them?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Just making sure, cause I called the other location, Moreland. They got 2 tires that I don't have, but y'all got my 2 tires here.
Okay, we're supposed to go down to the tire shop right there. You can walk right down. And Mr. Oscar, he'll write you a slip, and then you bring the slip in here and pay for him, and then he'll write down there with you to get the tires.
All right, that sounds good. All right, cool.
Good.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, no problem. Where I gotta go?
Right here.
Just straight through here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it.
my back sore, so honey.
It's all good. You don't gotta walk with me. It's all good. Yeah, the van. I got you. I appreciate it. That ain't no good. I wonder why. I should have just did this shit to begin with. I was really just trying to catch some AC. Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, what's up?
Oscar, I called up here, or I called the Moreland location.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for 2 tires at $275. Cool, man. Let's see what we got. Yeah.
275, 50, 20. Right?
Yeah.
That one,
This, okay, cool. That's cool, man.
As soon as you move, just put it in.
Cool, man. Sounds good.
You want to change?
The rear, the 2 on the back.
2 in the back.
Yeah, both of them are toe up, bro. They done. All right, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna get her right, man. Back up and running again. Meantime, I should really just post or something, bro. Just goddamn chill. So yeah, man, I'm in line right now, just waiting to get some tires put on this vehicle, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna be back out on the road. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was just doing the sunroof open shit. But what's 81 degrees right now? And I ain't gonna lie to you. We're gonna go ahead and yeah, pop that sucker right there. Put that shit to a nice, cool. Y'all gotta be froze, but you know what I mean. It's something that to get the sweat from off my face. You know, shit. Damn it, I did the wrong fucking. That's the shade. Why didn't nobody tell me I hit the wrong damn button? Y'all supposed to be my peoples, bro. Yeah, shade back. Yeah, shade back. Yep. All right, looks like we're pulling this in now. Oh, phone call. I'm calling y'all right back. I mean, hold on. Stand by. Shit. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm ready to pay. Sorry, I had to boost some money here. Right?
Hey, let me tell you something. Be thankful you can do that, young man. I'm so proud of y'all black men.
Thank you.
I have a son. I have grandsons. My grandson is 20. And when I see y'all making it out of trouble, taking care of your family, being productive to the community, to what we stand for as people, and for our families to be binded and I'm proud of you.
I
you
appreciate
can move
that.
$2 around. Thanks.
Nah, yes, it's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
Definitely a blessing.
Don't you ever. So this supposed to be 180?
Yeah, we took off the tire disposal field. I'm gonna take them and put it in the truck and I'm gonna throw that away.
It's gonna be credit, right?
I'm gonna do debit.
What are
Yeah, either or, same thing, right? Credit is they just take the money faster.
Yeah, so what I'm trying, my brother.
Best gang, I love my people, bro. But I couldn't have y'all in there just listen to her and me talk for the whole time, bro. That shit wouldn't have worked. So basically, like, got the tires put on, as you can see. Those old ones in the back. You see the one down there at the bottom? That shit would have blew out, bro. I swear to God, that shit would have blown out. Not on my watch. So got the new tires. About to head back now. I'm tired. I want to eat. Finna go lay down, bro. But yeah, man. Be sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to bring out some more stuff. Yeah, that's basically about it. Just stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.